Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Monday, November the 2nd, 2020. I hope you had a great weekend. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting the Euro-Yen analysis.
Euro plunged against Japanese yen on Monday, decreasing the price of the pair to less than 122 ahead of the release of European retail sales news.
Yes, the yen did get stronger against all currencies in the last few days. So, the Euro-Yen is currently hovering around the 121.90. If you look at the chart closely, we can come across the following support levels. Support 1 is the 121.46, which is the low of July 14th this year. Second support is at 121, which is the psychological level. And third support you will find is a 119.95, a horizontal support level.
And now, on the upside, the price of the Euro-Yen pair may find multiple resistance levels. The first resistance is at 123.17, which is the key horizontal resistance. The second resistance is at 123.56, which is the upper trend line arm. And the third resistance will be at 124.09, which is 38.2% Fibonacci retracement.
Now, the news that we need to keep an eye on that might affect this pair is the European Union retail sales, because we all know sales means good economy. So the Eurostat plans to release figures for the European Union retail sales on Thursday, November the 5th, which is this week. And according to economists, the European retail sales data remained 2.8% in September as compared to a reading of 3.37% in the previous month.
The European Union retail sales data reflects the change in overall sales of the retail sector, showing its performance over the short term in the European zone. The retail sales data is widely followed as an important economic indicator, since it measures the projected consumer spending over the period under consideration. Generally speaking, increasing numbers anticipate the bullish market for the Euro-Yen pair and vice versa.
In conclusion, given the price movement of this pair over the last few days, as usual for the last few days, selling this pair around the current levels might be a good trading move in short to medium term trading. Now let's move on to the Kiwi US.
The New Zealand dollar slid down against the US dollar on Monday, decreasing the price of the pair to less than 67 cents ahead of the release of New Zealand employment change news.
Now this pair is currently floating around the 66.12. Again, looking at the chart, we're looking at the support levels initially. So the first support is a 65.81, which is the immediate trendline support. Second support, you'll find the 38.2% Fibonacci level at 65.63. And finally, the third support is at 65.35, which is the low of September 3rd this year.
And now on the upside, the price may come across a few critical resistance levels. The first resistance is at 0.6715, which is the upper trend line arm. The second resistance will be 0.6724, which is the high of October 27th this year. And the third resistance will be 0.6797, which is the major horizontal resistance.
Now, the significant news for this pair is the New Zealand employment change news. And the Statistics New Zealand plans to release numbers concerning this employment change tomorrow, which is the 3rd of November. According to economists' forecast, the reading for New Zealand employment change news remains at negative 0.8% in the third quarter of the year as compared to a reading of 0.4% in the previous quarter.
The New Zealand employment change news stats reflects the change in the number of employed workers over the given time frame in New Zealand. The employment change is considered an important economic indicator of the country, since it uncovers the likelihood of consumer spending needed to stimulate the economy. Generally speaking, an increasing number anticipate the bullish market for the Kiwi-US pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, for the Kiwi USD, the price is continually dropping since last Thursday, which suggests selling the pair around the current levels might be a good move again in short to medium term trading. As always, when trading with your head, not your heart. Only trade what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict risk and money management techniques.
That's right. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button below and also share to your friends. And leave your comment down below. Let me know what's your thought.
Well said, Yvonne. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.